Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to get the crying filter on your Instagram. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and we just quickly move on to the video. So first open your Instagram, and after opening your Instagram, click on the Reels option and click on the effect option here. So you can find the search option here. Just click on the search option and just type as crying, and you can find the third filter, which was the particular filter I just talking about. So the crying Cara D, so this filter make you like crying, and it's super animation and AI filter make you really the making you to be crying face, and it's most popular filter. The using this particular filter, we have created more than thousands of reels, 10,000 or 20,000 of reels has been created by using this particular filter, and this filter was so trend and popular among the Instagram and Snapchat. So if you made a creativity video with this filter, you can get more views and followers on your Instagram. So some of the videos using this filters has gained more than millions of views and lakhs of views. So try this filter, which this was so trend in Instagram. So try this filter. You can see the name of the filter, and you can see the author who created this filter. So you just note the filter name and author name. You can try this filter on your Instagram and make a video now. Friends, if you find this video useful, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, like this video, share this video with your friends. Want more valuable content about the Instagram tips and tricks, just follow this channel. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.